Hey babes, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep on watching. Not only am I gonna do my makeup, but you guys see this flawless hair that I did. If you guys want to see how I do this, how I achieve this hair, keep on watching. So I just recently got this cute ass mirror from Beauty Creations, and it says "Get it, girl." And I've been loving all their cute little mirrors they have been making. I feel like I could carry this cute mirror like in my makeup pouch or in my makeup, just throw it in there since it's real small and just have it with you. My it brow pencil right now, and then I'm gonna be using my MAC concealer to clean my eyebrows. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here and just take it from there. Okay, and I'm gonna start by prepping my eyelashes to put on my falsies. And for today, I'm gonna be wearing this baddies from Beauty Creations again. The name is called Bougie. Get them. So I'm gonna be putting the lashes off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by priming my face. I am gonna be using my Fancy Beauty primer. Looks like this to prime my face. The foundations that I am going to be using for today, and I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color Soft Matte 185, and I'm going to mix this one. I'm going to be mixing it, and I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty brush. And what I like to do is 2 pumps of the Fenty, and I like to mix it with my Born This Way. So that's I'm gonna be spreading it with my Morphe foundation brush with my beauty blender, because I feel like if I use my beauty blender, my foundation spreads a lot more better on my skin, and it absorbs like the oils and all that extra stuff that I don't need in my face, rather than applying it with the brush. So I just use the brush just to kind of like mix it around my face, and then I use my beauty sponge to blend it. Uh. My girl, she ain't got a pedigree. All my bitches gotta fit my aesthetics. She ain't your girl, she right here in my section. She said, so that's the way I contour my face. And after applying my Fenty Beauty product, I am gonna go in with my bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the color Caramel Cutie.
Got a shopping problem, got expensive taste. Bust down paddock with the expensive face. Gotta get me ice if he tryna skate. Gotta swipe the Air Max if we go on a date. If we go on a date, gotta blow on my cape. But don't hit me if it's tiny. Girl from Escape. Need studs for my ears, Louis scarf for my hairs. Latest bag from Chanel, and I ain't trying to wait. I'm trying to meet the plug, no sockets. Pussy deep, so is my pockets. Time Ford Hills with the locket. A nigga get me, he better lock it.
She's so expensive, okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna set in all that powder with my Morphe brush. With my KKW Beauty Lip Liner in the color red too. And I'm gonna be filling it in with the lipstick. I do want to talk to you guys. Let me just take a sip. Hold on. So, I do want to talk to you guys about something that has just recently happened to me. I did partner up with foxybae. Foxybae is a hair company that does hair tools, amazing hair tools, by the way. And they also have a lot of like hair products for the hair. Everything that has to do with the hair, they have it all. I partnered up with them, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the tools that they have. Like, for example, this is the foxybae 7-in-1 wand, which is like this, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 barrels. So you could do seven different styles with this wand. I believe it retails for $2.99, but I do have a code with them, and if you do want to purchase this 7-in-1 wand, you can use my code Juvia, and it will give you 60% off, which will you'll end up paying $119 for the tool, which is an amazing deal. You can beat that. And another tool that I do have that I'm going to be using, because I will be doing my hair with you guys, it's the blow dryer from foxybae. And by the way, I've been hella loving this blow dryer. But before I use the tool, like I said, they do have like hair products for the hair. So before I do put the heat on my hair, I am going to be using this heat protectant spray. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply it all over my hair. And by the way, let me tell you, it smells amazing. Like, if you guys can only smell it, it smells like coconut. Like, it smells. Oh, look, I had the little bobby pin holding my hair while I was doing my makeup. It says boss. The fuck I am. And they also did give them to me from foxybae. So let me get my hair ready, and I'll be right back.
My girl, and she ain't got a pedigree. My bitches gotta fit my aesthetics. She ain't your girl, she right here in my section. She said, he was at a
Got a shopping problem, got expensive taste. Bust down paddock with the expensive face. Gotta get me ice if he tryna skate. Gotta swipe the Air Max if we go on a date. If we go on a date, gotta blow on my cape. But don't hit me if it's tiny. Girl from Escape. Need studs for my ears, Louis scarf for my hairs. Latest bag from Chanel, and I ain't trying to wait. I'm trying to meet the plug, no sockets. Pussy deep, so is my pockets. Time Ford Hills with the locket. A nigga get me, he better lock it.
bitch in the nosebleeds. My girl in the courtside floor seats. Yo, bitch affording me. I'ma take my girl to Dior this week. All my bitches slim, thick, and athletic. She ain't my girl and she ain't got a pedigree. All my bitches gotta fit my aesthetic. She ain't your girl, she right here in my section. She's so expensive, okay. She's so expensive, it's okay. Diamond tennis necklace. She gon' let it.
Got a shopping problem, got expensive taste. Bust down paddock with the expensive face. Gotta get me ice if he tryna skate. Gotta swipe the Air Max if we go on a date. If we go on a date, gotta blow on my cake. But don't hit me if it's tiny. Grew up from escape.
Damn, damn.
Louis, why you do it to him? She's so expensive, okay. She's so
So yeah, I'm officially done with the look. You see how I tell you guys, look how bouncy. It looks pretty bouncy. It looks pretty like, and what I like about this is like in case I just forget to shut it off, it will shut off automatically within 30 minutes. So now I turned it off and I am gonna leave it right here. But yeah, like I was saying, now I'm just gonna, my face kind of got oily. I hope you guys did like the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye guys. See you next time.
expensive.